Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel called Tech in 5 Minutes. Today is the first video, and this first video will talk about cloud computing. We'll understand how cloud computing is affecting our daily life. Daily life? Yes, we are using cloud in our daily life. We have a lot of applications which are based on cloud. For example, Facebook, Gmail. We don't need to install these applications on our computers. Yes, we do have that apps in the mobile phones, but do we really store the data in the mobile phone? No, the data is stored somewhere else. So where it is storing? Where the data is stored, that is called cloud. So for examples, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Yahoo, Dropbox, LinkedIn, Gmail. Those all are the application examples which are using cloud. So why cloud? Why do we use it? As a technical person, how can we benefit from the cloud? Cloud gives us lot many features that we can benefit of. For example, everything is on remote. Data storage on internet only. It means we don't need to provision for any of the hardware. We can use their hardware, the cloud provider hardware, to store our data. We don't need to worry about how many servers we need, how much space we need, and we don't need to buy any hard disk, and we don't need to worry about any of the thing. Everything is on remote, data we can place in the on the cloud, and we don't need to provision any infrastructure. Pay per use. It means we only need to pay how much data or how much space or how much bandwidth actually we are using. For example, if we are using very less bandwidth in the night and we are using high bandwidth in the day, we only need to pay bandwidth use in the daytime, not in the night time. Elasticity. What do you mean by elasticity? In the same example, if we have high load coming in the day and low load coming in the night, we can stretch the cloud. Actually, cloud can stretch itself to adjust with the demand. It means on demand is also coming in the picture. It means cloud is available anytime we need. Anytime we click couple of buttons and we can provision new servers. We don't need to go purchase, plan and wait for that. It's all time available. Multi-tenancy. It means we can use a single server with multiple people. For example, we have a big server and we are not using that server completely. We can have that multi-tenancy. So cloud providers are giving us an option to choose servers from dedicated and multi-tenancy. It means we can pay less and use a single server, a part of the server, and others pay for rest of the server. It means the cloud is giving us a good functionality called multi-tenancy. So next we will talk about cloud service model. So cloud has three different layers called software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. In the software as a service, we have different kind of applications which are used by end users. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Google Drive, and all other applications that we talked about. And those applications are simply hosted on the cloud and we are using them as a end user. The difference between software as a service and platform as a service, if we give you a simple example, for Facebook, we are end users and we are using that as a software as a service. But if a developer is developing a game or an application on the Facebook by using Facebook's API, for that user, Facebook APIs are platform as a service, because Facebook is giving you an interface to develop your own applications or games which can be used on the Facebook. Same is the case with other service providers. For example, Google, Dropbox, Instagram, they all give you some kind of layer to develop your own application and integrate with them. Last is infrastructure as a service. For example, if we have an application that we want to host on a server, we can simply go to AWS, MS Azure or Google Cloud to host our application. We just click simple single buttons and we can launch a machine and we can launch our website within 10 minutes. We don't need to worry about the infrastructure. We don't need to worry about purchasing a server. We don't need to worry about cooling. We don't need to worry about 24 by 7 power supply. Everything will be handled by infrastructure as a service provider. So main basic players in the infrastructure as a service are Amazon, Google Cloud, Azure, then a lot of other players are coming in like IBM and Oracle. Thanks for watching. Do like the video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.